guys, today I'm going to be showing you two of my best slimes I've ever made. And yeah, so let's get on to the video. So here's the first one. I'll show you. Here's the first one.
Sponsored by Austerley Park Hotel. Powered by Remitly.com. Money transfers to India.
It's very stretchy.
Pooja Sweets and Savories. Vegetarian food for any
If you
occasion.
can't really see, it's a really bright yellow with some gold glitter in it.
Sovereign safe
And
deposit
it's
secure
so
offers in East London and
stretchy.
Harrow.
I love it. So I'll make a quick slime swirl for you guys. That one was rubbish. Let me try again. I love this slime. It's the best slime I've ever made, probably. Sometimes I just roll it. Best slime. There's that, and then poking action. It's not really that pokey, but it will work for me because it's the stretchiest slime I've ever made. And as you can see, it doesn't stick either. So I love this slime. And this next one, I added some I added some letter beads. Those were fun to use. So this one's blue. And it's not crunchy, I just added the alphabet beads for nothing. Stretchy. This one's really runny as well as stretchy, but it's still super, super, super nice. And I'll make a swirl with this one as well for you guys, if I can control it. Here it is. I'll try to make a slime swirl with it. No, that one was rubbish. That one was rubbish. Sorry guys. This slime's just super, super runny. Sorry for the background noise, the TV's on right now. I don't know why, because no one's watching it. But let's try and make a swirl now. Okay, you're not gonna get a swirl out of this one. But I still think it's really cool because it's really runny and really stretchy. And the beads just add a nice touch to it. So again, there's that one. And here's the other one. They're both super, super nice. I love them both. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tune in next time.